Today I'm going to show you how to fully automate tasks like posting welcome messages, sending regular updates, banning troublemakers, and more in your Telegram group, all with the help of a management bot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what tools you need, how to set things up, and some clever tricks to keep your group running smoothly, so you can spend more time focusing on the fun parts of your community, not moderating every little thing. Let's dive right in. Now, if you've used Telegram before, you might have noticed that the standard app doesn't natively support things like auto messages, banning users automatically, or customizable commands for your group. This is where bots come into the rescue. Bots are like helpful little assistants you can add to your group. They can perform tasks instantly and reliably, exactly as you configure. Today, we'll use a really popular choice at Miss Rose Bot, though the process is similar for other management bots like at Group Butler Bot. The very first thing you'll want to do is add this bot to your group, then give it the powers it needs to do its job. So open up Telegram and type at Miss Rose Bot in the search bar. Start a conversation with the bot. Some bots require you to press start to wake them up, so go ahead and do that if prompted. Next, head into your Telegram group's chat, tap on the group name at the top to open group info, and scroll down until you see an option to add member. Select it, find it Miss Rose Bot in your contacts or recent chats, and tap to add. But here's a crucial detail: the bot won't be able to manage the group until you promote it to administrator. Think of this like giving your most trusted friend the keys to the house. You want to make sure it has access to the tools it needs, but not more than necessary. So after adding the bot, go back to your group settings. Tap Edit, sometimes shown as a pencil icon, then Administrators. Find it Miss Rose Bot in the list, tap to edit its admin rights and enable important permissions like delete messages, ban users, and manage topics. It's generally a good rule to only give the permissions you need, but for most automations, these are pretty standard. Finally, save your changes and you're set. Once the bot has admin access, you're ready for the fun part: automation. Let's start with the number one request from group admins: welcome messages. You can set up a custom greeting that pops up instantly every time a new person joins your group. This lets new members feel seen and informed without you needing to monitor the group 24/7. To do this, just type directly in the group, /setwelcome followed by your message. For example, you could write /setwelcome welcome to the group. First, last, please read the rules in the general topic. Notice the curly brackets. First, last, username and name. These are placeholders that the bot will fill out automatically, personalizing each welcome so it's unique to the new member. If you ever want to tweak or update your message, just repeat the command with the new text. And this is just the beginning. Bots like Miss Rose offer many more automations, from scheduled recurring messages as reminders to quickly banning troublemakers with a single command. Don't worry if any of this feels overwhelming at first. Like any tool, it gets easier the more you use it, and everything can be adjusted with just a few commands. If you'd like a follow-up walkthrough on advanced automations, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like below and leave a comment if you ran into any snags or have questions about specific automations. And of course, subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials just like this one. Good luck automating your Telegram group. I'll see you in the next video.